Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm So, and in this YouTube channel, I'm going to be documenting my journey of passing my 10K account and becoming a successful, profitable trader. So, in today's video, I'm going to be discussing about the two trades that I took in that 10K account. One of them I lost the trade and I won one. So, let's just dive into the video. And this is my first time making a YouTube video, so don't mind me making some awkward faces. I'm gonna do my best to record this video. So let's just dive into the video. So as you guys can see, I trade Forex and I only trade one pair, which is GBP JPY. In my 10K account, I took two trades, which are these two. The first trade was on March 31st, and the second trade was on 2nd April. Uh, this was no news Monday, and we had NFP on this day. Just I was having a losing streak, and I also blew two of my accounts, so this kind of fucked up my psychology. So I strategy hopped and didn't really follow my rules. So that's the main reason I lost this trade. So let's just dive into it. In this trade right here, the 2nd April one, how I like to trade is I mark out the session openings. So I would like to mention that I trade in the New York time zone, and the New York opening is at 8 a.m. and London opens at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. and Asian opens at 19. So I marked out all of that, and after that I like to mark out the session swing highs and swing lows, which are the great draws on liquidity. And so I'm gonna mark out these. This is a London swing high, and this is the London swing low. This is the Asian swing high, and this is the Asian low. But as you guys can see, London opens and took out this low right here, so we don't really have to care about that. After marking out all of this, we just go into 4 hour and mark out the draws on liquidity. So the highs and lows. So in this is the high, already marked out that, and this is the low right here, but it is too far away, so we don't have to mark out that. After that, we go into one hour time frame and mark out the draws on liquidity, which are highs and lows. So this is the high, this is the low, which got taken out, so we don't have to do that. This is a low too, but this is too far away, so we don't have to mark out that also. This is a high, but it also got taken out, so we don't have to care about that. After marking out all of this, we're gonna scale down to 5 minutes. And wait for price to draw towards it and sweep out liquidity, which it did. And after sweeping out the liquidity, I wait for a 5 minute break of structure, which it did. So here's a break of structure right here. Make it red. And after the trend shift, which is the 5 minute break of structure, I like to mark out the confluences, which are fair value gap, order block, breakup block, equilibrium. So let's just mark out those. So this right here is the order block, and this right here is the breakup block. And we also got EQ, which is the equilibrium. So as you guys can see, the price hit all the three confluences we marked out, and this is the EQ2, the discounted price zone, and it hit all of the three confluences. So after it hit all the confluences, we're gonna jump straight to 1 minute time frame and wait for confirmation entry, which is 1 minute break of structure. So the 1 minute break of structure happened right here. As you guys can see, it happened right here. But in my funded account, the platform is MT5, so the liquidity provider is different. So the break of structure didn't really happen here. The main break of structure happened right here. So I enter somewhere around here, and my stop was around here. I cut. So I like to leave out some space for spreads. So I kind of leave out 3 pips, 3 or 4 pips for breathing space. So it will be 16.8 right here. And my take profit was, this was my take profit one. And the final take profit was, sorry, my final take profit was this London high right here. There's a fair value gap right here, so I wanted to move my stop loss to break even around this price point right here. So this will be the break even. This will be TP1, and this was a London high right here, and it hit all of the two TPs right here. This was a TP1. This was a final take profit. But after the first losing trade, I was kind of doubtful of myself. So after it retraces back into this 1 minute fair value gap right here. This 1 minute fair value gap right here. Right here. You can see that price didn't really retraces in this price point right here. It just went upward. So so it kind of retraces back into this fair value gap to go towards the upside and take out all of this. It kind of made me doubtful, and I kind of closed all of my positions around here, somewhere around here, which I shouldn't have. I should have held it till my final take profit. It kind of this trade went really well, and I followed all of my rules and my strat and my trading plan and everything. And I risked somewhere around 0.75%, like $75. It was like $75, and the profit was $177. I will put the MT5 history somewhere around here. So yeah, this was a trade that I took, and it went really well. So let's just look at the first trade that I took. So in this trade right here, this strategy, I kind of strategy hopped. So this strategy was from TJR's old Forex strategy. So TJR is my mentor. I follow his strategy and everything, and I learned how to trade from him from his YouTube channel. So I kind of strategy hop to his old Forex strategy, which really don't work for me. I don't know why, but yeah, I kind of did it, and it fucked me up. So in this strategy, we also mark out the session openings, which are 8 New York, London, and Asia. So after marking out all of this, I just go into 30-minute time frame and mark out the swing highs and swing lows. But we don't really mark them out like this, like this. We mark them out with this rectangle right here. So as you guys can see, this is the swing low of London session, and this is the swing high of the London swing high. And uh, so after marking out all of this, I just scale down to 5 minutes and wait for price to react off of that, react off of this price zone right here. It kind of acts like support and resistance, but I don't really like support and resistance. I don't really trade with support and resistance. New York opens and it already disrespected the swing high right here of London. So I waited for price to just draw into this price point right here, price zone right here, and just bounce off of it. So I waited for a 5 minute breakup structure, which happened right around here, and marked out all of the 5 minute confluences, which are breakup block, order block, fair value gap. So this was the order block right here, which got hit. So we're gonna scale down to 1 minute. for a confirmation, which is 1 minute break of structure. So the break of structure was here. So we entered off of this around here. We entered off of that, and stop loss was around here, this low right here. Let's just move it. And my take profit was this 5 minute imbalance right here. This 5 minute imbalance. It kind of taught me a lesson, which is trading is all about consistency. And if you can't follow your rules, if you can't follow your trading plans, the market's gonna fuck you up. That's the main thing. And we all learn the hard way, right? So it kind of taught me, and I'm not gonna make the same mistakes that I made here. And I hope you guys won't make the same mistakes that I made. Just don't strategy hop, don't break your rules, don't break the trading plans that you guys got. Just follow the trading plan, follow your strat, be consistent with that strat, and just back test it. That's it. So, so these are the two trades that I took. I kind of de-risked in this trade right here. I only risked around 50%, which is $49 something, somewhere around 40 $49. So I only lost $49 in this trade. So yeah, these are the two trades that I took. This was a really great trade. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put the MT5 history somewhere around here so you guys can see. I really took those trades. So yeah, uh, these were the two trades, and I hope you guys have learned something from it. And from now on, I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated, and I'm gonna be documenting my journey. I'm gonna be document every single trade that I take from now on, and I'm gonna upload the videos. So that's it for today, and see you in the next trading video. Peace out.